Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition switch. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a steering wheel puller. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, carefully remove the upper and lower steering column covers to expose the ignition switch assembly. This initial preparation ensures you have clear access for the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old ignition switch. Look closely for a small release pin or button on the side of the switch housing. Using a thin tool, such as a small pick or a straightened paperclip, gently press this release pin. While holding the pin in, carefully pull the old ignition switch straight out from its housing. It should slide out with minimal resistance once the pin is properly engaged. With the old switch removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new ignition switch with the opening in the steering column housing. Ensure the key cylinder is in the correct position, often the off or accessory position, as specified by the manufacturer. Gently push the new switch firmly into place until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely seated. Then, reattach the steering column covers. Finally, let's test your new ignition switch. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring a tight connection. Insert your key and turn it to the accessory position, then to on, and finally attempt to start the vehicle. Confirm that the engine cranks and starts smoothly. Also, check that all dashboard indicator lights illuminate and extinguish as expected. If everything functions correctly, you've successfully replaced your ignition switch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.